Okay, how to identify, a real lead or someone that really wants to pre-enroll versus a fake one. Are there bots out there that go out of their way to try to join our opportunity? Usually not, because it might on YouTube clicks or likes. A lot of people try to fake it to make it, and there is a lot of automated bullcrap out there. But this is an example of people that pre-enroll, but they don't want to put their name. They just want to see what this opportunity is about. They might want to try to copy LiveGood for all I know, or maybe they just want to check out the products or the pay plan. But at the end of the day, they don't want to put their real name, but they'll usually put their real email address because it's the only way they can get information about the company. Okay, so let me shrink my big face here. Okay, this is their referral page. Okay, so if you're already signed up in LiveGood, you already know this probably. Here's a couple more that are fake names, but the emails look pretty real. And I find it hilarious because I write them anyway. I tend to be more of a smartass from my radio background, but as you can see, there's a lot of nice people here. That are real people, and it looks like most are from America here. But it looks like this one right here, YBMSOGBLMNOP. Now, I don't know if that is their real email address. If you read it, it definitely looks interesting. But I write them anyway. I think it's funny. I come at them in a smart-ass way, and they're probably blown away that someone like me goes out of my way to write them and laugh. And if they have a sense of humor, they might write me back and go, well, I didn't want my real name. I didn't want spam or some automated bullcrap. And I go, I get it. I get it. This one, I love this one. It looks like a girl or a guy, probably a girl, let's just say, Sandy Becknell, 569. She's probably born May of 1969. But for some reason, I have a fascination with people's email. But I don't think this person's name is AOJDBGBHEBDBDBPP. Okay, so I just, call me crazy. I don't think that's their real name. Although there is some crazy names, especially in other countries. So, but I go ahead, I write them anyway. Hey, Sandy, I see that your birth name is every letter of the alphabet, but you know what? If you have any more questions, give me a ring. Give me a jingle, email me, text me, whatever. I use a sense of humor on these. So don't get mad. Don't get pissed if you get a bunch of people putting Elvis, like I've had Elvis Presley. I think Elvis passed away around August of 77, if I remember right. But I did have the great Elvis Presley come through about a month ago, and that was nice. I wrote him back, and I said, "Love Me Tender" was a kick-ass song, and I love Clam Bake. So I have a sense of humor when it comes to referral. These, so when Hebe GB DB 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 comes in, that's probably a fake name. They don't put their phone number. Are they affiliate? No. But when you start getting a lot of pre-enrollees like this, most of their emails are real, because it's the only way they can kind of snoop around and see if this opportunity really is something they want to do. The worst case scenario is it's just stuck on your referral. You can't, what's it called? I guess delete it. I kind of wish we could, but I see why LiveGood says, no, you know what? If it's an enrolled person looking for information, it's kind of stuck on that. So if you get legit people that sign up, it looks cool. And then all of a sudden you're going to get heebie-jeebie-deebie-deebie. And then you're going to get like maybe 4 or 5 real legit enrollees with their real name and their real email address. But a question that you might ask yourself is, well, how do I delete heebie-jeebie-deebie-jeebie? There really isn't a way. And don't get a hold of LiveGood and say, I don't really like the name of this person. Can you get rid of it on my referral? Just kind of deal with it. And the good news is if you're getting some pre-enrolled people in and members, they'll slowly go away anyway. It kind of gives you an incentive to try and get some new enrollees, or people just want to kick the tires by watching, maybe the LiveGood capture page. Because each time in a pre-roll or someone actually becomes a member, it'll kind of roll down the page a little bit until hopefully Hebe GBDB GBDB is not on your page anymore. But then right when you get Hebe GBDB WeeBDB off, there's going to be a new one. with Abba Maba Daba Jabba Daba. I want a Wop Baba Loobop, a Wop Bamboo. I want a Grease fan to like actually put that in their name. That would be cool. Or you can always write yourself and have a friend maybe pre-enroll and do something funny with a sense of humor. So no, you can't delete a pre-enrolled or of course a member. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I guess it could happen. But yeah, don't write the company saying delete this. It's a fake name. He be GBDB. I looked it up on the internet and there's no such thing. So, all right. If you want to join, go to joincorey.com. There will be a link right underneath this video. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, take care. And if you're in LiveGood already, which you probably are, hope you have a good day and get some pre-enrollees and some members. All right, take care, guys.